Whisper, sleep, nature.
Hello, my friends. Samantha here. How is everyone? I'm sitting here in my peaceful garden. I'm going to take you through a guided meditation in the woods. Please make sure that you are either lying down or sitting up comfortably. As you listen to the sound of my voice, you will fall into a deep sleep.
Ideally in your bed before sleep. By listening to my voice, you will relax into a deep and peaceful sleep. Welcome to this forest meadow. It's time to be at peace after your long day. Time to lie down, relax, and sleep. Goodness surrounds you, holds you, comforts you. Let the healing energy of the trees, plants, and flowers ease you into a peaceful, relaxed sleep. Let the sound of my voice soothe your mind like a quiet brook flowing down the middle of the forest, nourishing trees, grasses, and herbs. They send up sweet scents to heal you, relax you. These are my favorite: red clover, sweet clover, mullein, wild chamomile, mountain mint, alfalfa leaf, horsetail, elderflower, wild ginseng, and bee balm. They draw moisture from the stream and send up sweet aromas to nourish all around them. The aromas evaporate into the breeze, which strokes your face as it passes. The breezes become one with the air and the sky, and out of that soft, moist dew, gently falling rain is formed to feed the streams. And so the cycle continues on and on. And you are letting yourself go now, relaxing, letting yourself become as light as the breeze you now feel, bathing in the sweet scents of the woods, your tired body giving way to the soft, grassy bed of the meadow. Nothing can harm you here. You are totally safe. Let your worries sink into the soft ground that holds you. One by one, they drop away. They fall into the earth and dissipate into the rich soil. There is no one here that needs anything from you. This is your time. You work so hard, but maybe you don't feel rested most of the time. Maybe you don't feel appreciated. But now, with the blue sky covering you, you are able to relax. It's good to feel relaxed. You can't remember when you felt so good, so relaxed. Everything is welcoming you like old friends, friends you haven't seen for a long time. Take a deep breath with me. Inhale Breathe down to your feet. We don't think about them much, but they work for you all day long. They are tired. When you breathe down to your feet, you feel their tension drift away. It feels so good. Then your calves start to let go too. Your knees, your legs, the ground is holding you, supporting you. You no longer have to hold yourself up. Your only job right now is to be. Not do anything. Not think anything. Except listen to my voice. Thoughts of fresh air. Sounds of leaves rustling in the soft, soothing breeze. The feeling of letting go. Take another deep breath in and out. Your stomach relaxes now. Your arms and now your shoulders. Your back, which has the soft, moist ground under it, is massaged by the energy of growth coming up through it, into your spine, up and around, into your scalp. There might be a tingling sensation. The tingling is good. You are letting go. Fresh and relaxing energy is starting to fill you, like water into a thirsty plant. Let that soft energy go where it needs to go. Don't stop it. Your body needs it. So does your mind, which goes so hard all day long. Accomplishing things on your list, figuring out problems, coming up with solutions and plans, making sure the plans happen. It's hard work, and sometimes you can't feel how tired you really are. Let your mind feel the tingle of this nourishing feeling trickling through you, the tiredness melting away. Take another deep breath in and out. I'm going to count down from 10 as you take in the beauty that surrounds you. 10. The soft clouds drifting slowly across the deep blue sky. You just watch them as they slowly change shape, evaporating into the air, then forming new clouds out of nothing. Your tension evaporates with them. The air and the earth renew you. 9. You notice birds with beautiful songs flying across the sky. How can they fly so gracefully? How at peace they must feel. How at one with the pure air. But you notice you now feel the same way, and you know how they feel. 8. The trees around you make a soothing sound as they wave in the breeze. They feel this way every day, doing nothing except being. the soil, drawing in all the sustenance they need as they take the rich, warm sunlight into their body. The oaks, some hundreds of years old, the pines, birch, sweet birch, black maple, green ash, white poplar, water elm. These tall trees have been doing this for hundreds of years. They are masters at it and are showing you how. You can't believe how easy it is. 7. You notice how many different kinds of grasses there are. One is called blue stem, another turkey grass, wild alfalfa, bushy beard grass, broom sedge, and my favorite, side oats gamma. It's a funny word, but I love it. That's the one with a gray-green foliage, with a purplish, glowing hue that grows up to 3 feet in the summer. Oats, rye, purple lovegrass, pink mully, switchgrass. There's so many. They have always been here for us, and now we are here for them. Taking them in with a long breath. They all have strong medicinal properties, and you feel them now entering your body through your nose, their sweet smell filling you. 6. There's so many beautiful flowers around you in the meadow and woods. We may not notice them all the time as we go for our walks, but they make us feel good. Their sparkling colors unconsciously delight us, affect us, heal us. The soft, silky purple of Lady Slipper, white firework display of wild sarsaparilla, Jack in the pulpit, and the bell-like yellow blossom of Canada lily, blue violet, wild azalea, red clover, meadow lily. Hiding in the grass and shady woodland, they enchant us with delicious odors and brilliant colors. 5. You hear birdsong from the woods. Right now there is no better music. Songs from all directions. It is the music of the forest and meadows. Their trills elevate you to a joy not found at home or in the workplace. Flycatchers, vireos, horned larks, purple martins, tufted titmouse, chickadee, marsh wren, bluebird, wood thrush, yellow warbler, hermit warbler, common yellow throat, chipping sparrow, finches, grosbeaks. We wonder how we can ever forget their beautiful songs and light, feathery colors. Nothing is so pleasing to hear at this moment. 4. You notice that the green color around you is not only leaves and grass grasses, but also moss, gathering at the foot of the trees, around rocks and coverings, a woodland path here and there. You always love to see it. There are thousands of species, among them sphagnum, bryophyte, spike moss, the elegantly green seleginella. 3. You can hear a brook faintly from the end of the meadow. Or is it a stream, creek, branch, or wash? They're providing life to half the mighty forest. 2. And now you feel the sun, warming your skin when the breeze cools it too much. It is estimated that it is 4 billion years old and burns 4 million tons of hydrogen every second. That's why it is 15 million degrees on the surface. But somehow, with all that activity and traveling 93 million miles to get here, it gently places itself on you. Its rays took 8 minutes to get here, traveling at 186,000 miles per second. It's a wondrous star with all its energy, and it rests there in the sky before you, feeding everything around you. It's a miracle of nature. 1. You wonder what is beyond the blue sky. What is sky but a thin window between us and dark space? We don't think about this all the time, and yet it is always there, next to us. If that was all we thought about, it would be a full life. And we're thinking about it now. We are full now. That infinite black space that is only a few miles from this meadow surrounds us every minute, every second, millisecond. Now, you are in that space, floating, breathing the sweet air of it. Infinite space doesn't struggle. Why should you? You become like it. You are it, not separated, free. 0. Relaxing, you forget all time. Time is a man-made concept. Someone thought it up. We began measuring time by marking the tusks of mammoths a long time ago. The Mayans created the first calendar, then the Athenians, and that is what we go by. But is there really time, you wonder? The past is only the gone, present in memory. The future hasn't happened, and so doesn't exist. There is only now. The peaceful, pleasant now. The birds, trees, rocks, and air don't think of time. It only